Hello teachers. Uh, for you have to go to a different website by typing subdomain teacher.desmos.com, and when you go there you have to sign in. So when you click on sign in, it's just a one-click sign in. When you click on sign in with Google, it will sign in one click. So it depends on your account, and just click on your account and it will sign in. Now you see on the screen on the left hand side, these are the bundles of conics, exponential, expressions, functions, inequalities, linear system, quadratic, transformation, modeling. So these are the bundles that you can use for your classroom, and you can also create your own bundle. So let's see, I'm using this inequalities on the number line. What you will do, you will click on this because there is no activities there, so you cannot add. You see, you can go into inequalities on the number line, and if there is any activity available here, you can add that activity. I will show you to some other. So here you see you can create a class, create class code. If you click on create class code, it will generate a class code here, and you have to share this link. So see, just click on student link, and this link, you will copy this link and you will share to your students. So suppose you are using student.desmos.com, so you will ask student to go there and type this code, or else they can go to this link. So most of us in this 21st century, we use Google Classroom. So you can go to Google Classroom and share this link to the students. So when they will join, you will see the number of students there, and then on their screen they will have the questions like plot a number, plot another number. So like these challenges they will have on their own screen. Similarly, for other sections, for conics, for exponential, they will have the same thing. So first you will have to create a class code, and then you will share the link to the students. So you can click on this view dashboard, and then you will be able to see who has joined and who has not joined. So all the activities you will see here. So on the student section you will see what the question will come to them when they will join your class. So this is how you can use the Desmos for teaching graphs. Although it's very popular, the Khan Academy is also very popular, but for the graph purpose you can use this uh, website, and it has very good questions, very good activities that is either being posted by Desmos or the other teachers. Thank you for watching this video.